Sweet. Ready when you guys are.
Wouldn't catch me dead in an apron making any man's breakfast. Pinning pins on a Pinterest board, a stem wearing wedding dresses. No fencing me in or settling me down, but boy'd I put my boot in my mouth, 'cause you make me wanna be traditional. Wrap a porch around the house and a ring around my finger, kinda typical. I can't believe I'm so unoriginal. It's pitiful. Took a man like you to make an honest woman out of me. Who knew I'd be traditional? Never picked a petal off a daisy, playing Love Me or Not, till you came in like John Wayne and tamed my Wild West heart. Now I'm wondering what your name sounds like next to mine. It's got me rolling my own eyes. You make me wanna be traditional. Wrap a porch around the house and a ring around my finger, kinda typical. I can't believe I'm so unoriginal. It's pitiful. Took a man like you to make an honest woman out of me. Who knew I'd be traditional? Hey, yeah, traditional. If any of my friends heard me talking like this, they wouldn't recognize who the new girl is. You make me wanna be traditional. Wrap a porch around the house and a ring around my finger, kinda typical. I can't believe I'm so unoriginal. It's pitiful. Took a man like you to make an honest woman out of me. Who knew I'd be traditional? Hey, yeah, traditional. Naming kids, moving in, trying to meet your parents. Oh, traditional. Lovey-dovey, sweet as honey, call you hubby. Traditional.
Think I got the chance, and I ain't gonna waste it. Honey dripping romance, and the hours have faded. This world